As an accounting software expert, one of the most common questions I encounter from businesses exploring new solutions is about payment processing. Getting paid efficiently and securely is crucial for cash flow and overall financial health. When it comes to FreshBooks, a popular cloud-based accounting software, many users wonder, does FreshBooks use Stripe? The answer is a definitive yes. FreshBooks has a strong and integrated partnership with Stripe, one of the leading online payment processors in the world. This collaboration is designed to provide FreshBooks users with a seamless and robust way to accept online payments from their clients directly through invoices and other FreshBooks features. To understand this partnership better, let's break down what it means for your business. The power of integration. FreshBooks Payments powered by Stripe. FreshBooks offers its own integrated payment solution called FreshBooks Payments. This system is, in fact, powered by Stripe. This means that when you set up FreshBooks Payments, you're essentially leveraging Stripe's powerful payment infrastructure without needing to manage a separate Stripe account directly, though you can also connect an existing Stripe standard account if you prefer, especially for international businesses. This deep integration offers several key benefits. Seamless client experience. When you send an invoice through FreshBooks, your clients will see a clear and easy option to pay online. They can choose from various payment methods, including major credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, etc., Apple Pay, and even bank transfers, ACH, for businesses in the US and Canada. This streamlined process makes it incredibly convenient for your clients to pay you, which in turn helps you get paid faster. Automatic reconciliation. One of the biggest headaches in accounting is manually matching payments to invoices. With FreshBooks Payments powered by Stripe, this process is automated. When a payment is made, it's automatically recorded against the corresponding invoice in FreshBooks. This saves you significant time, reduces errors, and ensures your financial records are always up to date. The transaction fees associated with the payment are also automatically tracked as expenses, providing a complete picture of your income and costs. Improved cash flow. Getting paid faster is a universal goal for businesses. By offering convenient online payment options through FreshBooks and Stripe, you reduce the friction in the payment process. This often leads to quicker payments compared to traditional methods like checks or manual bank transfers, significantly improving your business's cash flow. FreshBooks even states that users get paid up to twice as fast when using their integrated payment solution. Security and compliance. Stripe is renowned for its robust security measures and PCI, payment card industry, compliance. This means that sensitive client payment information is handled with the highest level of security, protecting both your business and your clients from potential fraud. By using FreshBooks Payments powered by Stripe, you benefit from these industry-leading security standards without needing to be an expert in payment security yourself. Global reach. While FreshBooks Payments powered by Stripe is primarily designed for businesses in Canada and the United States, FreshBooks also supports connecting a Stripe standard account for international businesses. This allows you to accept payments from clients in over 190 countries and 135 plus currencies, expanding your reach and making it easier to do business globally. Beyond the direct integration, other payment options. While FreshBooks Payments powered by Stripe is the primary and most recommended online payment solution within FreshBooks, it's important to note that FreshBooks also supports other payment gateways. These include PayPal, a globally recognized payment platform that offers various payment options for your clients. Barclaycard, an option primarily for UK businesses. This flexibility ensures that businesses can choose the payment processing solution that best fits their specific needs and geographic location. However, for the most integrated and streamlined experience within FreshBooks, their own FreshBooks Payments powered by Stripe is designed to be the go-to choice. How it works in practice. Setting up FreshBooks Payments is straightforward. Within your FreshBooks account, you navigate to the online payment settings, where you'll find the option to connect with FreshBooks Payments powered by Stripe. You'll typically need to provide some basic business and banking information to activate your account. Once activated, you can simply enable the online payment option on your invoices, and your clients will be presented with the secure payment link. For those who are new to accounting software or are looking to streamline their current processes, Understanding this payment partnership is vital. It means that FreshBooks isn't just an invoicing tool or an expense tracker. It's a comprehensive platform that actively helps you collect payments, improve cash flow, and maintain accurate financial records, all powered by a trusted global payment processor like Stripe. The synergy between FreshBooks and Stripe empowers small business owners, freelancers, and growing teams to focus less on chasing payments and more on doing the work they love.